Guys, we're back with another smart home episode. Today we're going to be replacing all of our kitchen lights with the Hue Plus BR30s. These are the floodlights designed for like recessed lighting, just like these. Or recessed lighting, just like these. We're going to be replacing all 5 of our kitchen lights with these. In this video, we're not going to be going over so much of setup. We did that in the last Hue video that we did. We'll have that linked in the iCard and at the end of this video if you want to see that. But we're just going to go kind of over the basic install and all that kind of stuff.
These are the white and color ones, so we get to choose.
Actually say white and color right on.
Which is fun, especially like during Halloween.
Yeah. That already passed.
I know.
But we'll have to figure out Christmas stuff.
Yeah, we can do Christmas colors too. So these do both white and colored. And we will have these linked with our Amazon link in the description box.
Let's go. Ah, that's hot.
You can do that. I can't do that.
No, change it.
No.
Just change it.
I can't.
Just change it.
I can't.
Alright, so obviously be careful when doing this because they are hot. That's why I've got the gloves on. What we're going to do is go ahead and replace... all of them. And you can see they're slightly different than the original bulbs, but these ones will stick out a little bit farther, which isn't too much of a problem with the way these sockets are set up. What we're going to do is go ahead and replace all of the bulbs and then go ahead and program all of the bulbs at the same time. Now we'll show you in the app there's a feature where you can go in and figure out which bulb is which, so we'll show you that here in a minute. So as you may have noticed when we were setting these up, we actually have 2 different switches here. We've got this one single light over here by the sink. That's just over the sink, so if you're doing dishes or whatever, you can flip that on and have it off the rest of the time. And then we've got the 4 main lights of the kitchen. So everything we'll do, we'll set up 2 separate scenes so we can have like kitchen lights on, and it'll be all of them, and then we can turn on and off the sink light separately from that. Alright, now that we've got all 5 lights in, we're going to go over and push the button on the bridge, and that should make it look for new lights and bring them up on the app here. It isn't super easy to see, but in the app we've got our 2 rooms that are already set up. You tap the 3 dots, do light setup, which is the middle one, do add lights, make sure they're powered on, and you push the button like we already did, and search. So now it searched and it found all 5 of them. Now you might be asking, we've got all 5 of them in, how do we know which one's which to name them? What you can do is tap on it and it'll flash whichever one that is. So you see the one flashing there. Number 2's in the other slot that's not on camera. There's the one right behind us. Number 4 is the other side, and then number 5 should be that other one. So now that we know which ones are which, we can go in and rename all of them the way we want to. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick. What we've done is we've got from left to right 1, 2, 3, and then the back row is 4, 5. Even though the one above the sink is a completely separate circuit, completely separate switch. What we do most of the time is just leave them powered on because we use both our Google Home and our Amazon Echo to control them with our voice, so we're not actually flipping the physical switches. So like this one, even though it's on a separate circuit, we're going to have it in the kitchen. So what we're going to do is go ahead and add a new room. And we're just going to call it kitchen. You can actually go ahead and just select what room it is. And then we can add what lights we want to it. So we're going to add all 5 of the kitchen lights. And save it. So saving could take a while. Please keep app open. So now we can control them with the Alexa and the Google Home. Or we can just use the app and change the colors. Or of course it's got the pre-set up scenes that they have. Disco.
Woohoo! So now we can go, okay Google, kitchen lights off.
Sorry, I can't help with that yet.
No.
Excuse me? Kitchen lights off.
Sure, turning off 5 lights.
Kitchen lights on.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I think we're going to try to look into some things that we found out over like Halloween. There's different themes and stuff like that where your smart device will play music and the lights will change to the music. So we're going to look into some things like that.
Make sure you are subscribed and share this with everybody. Let us know what your favorite Hue light setup is, and if you have any suggestions for the next Hue lights we should add to our house. Thank you for coming along on our smart home journey in these videos, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye!
Bye!